Mint, 9 marvelous health benefits. Mint, commonly known as pudina, is a herb found in every Indian kitchen. It thrives in the chilly winter climate of northern India, with many homemakers growing it in potted plants. A liberal addition of mint leaves as a garnish not only improves the appearance of a dish but also lends a unique freshness to it. You can use it both in savory as well as sweet dishes. Refreshing drinks often contain this herb as it comes with a host of benefits that include freshness of breath and cooling of the body. Furthermore, this is certainly not the extent of its usefulness either. You are sure to be amazed by the plethora of nutritional benefits associated with this emerald green herb so close to the Indian heart. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. Nutritional facts of mint. Mint/pudina is a member of the Lamiaceae or the Labiaceae family. Aromatic in nature, mint possesses a brilliant green color that is soothing to the eye as well. Mint is available in several varieties, with peppermint and spearmint being the most popular out of 15 to 20 types of mint grown regularly. It has been cultivated commercially in India for ages. However, any country with sunny conditions can grow it in huge numbers, with parts of the USA, Middle East, and South Asia being incredibly famous for its high yield and superior quality. A variant known as Japanese mint is now being cultivated in India too. Mint is found to be chock-a-block with multiple nutrients. The nutritional content of mint happens to be as follows. Mint, 2 tablespoons/3 grams. Calories, 2. Protein, 0.2 grams. Carbohydrates, 0.2 grams. Fat, 0 grams. Fiber, 0.2 grams. Mint is also known to contain potassium, iron, phosphorus, vitamins A and C, along with calcium and magnesium in lesser amounts. Thankfully, you do not require to consume enormous amounts of mint for your health, as tiny quantities will do wonders too. Let's check out the associated health benefits of mint to enjoy living a healthy and fruitful life. 9 health benefits of mint. 1. Resolves gastrointestinal problems. Mint has a calming effect on an irritated stomach. It has been used since time immemorial to soothe an upset stomach. You can try it to find relief from several GI tract issues, including indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, abdominal pain, and flatulence. Mint eliminates all harmful microbes from the gut and helps to relax the muscles of your abdomen, thereby enabling you to find relief. Therefore, many Indians prefer to chew mint tablets after a particularly heavy meal. 2. Anti-allergic properties. Mint leaf contains rosmarinic acid, an antioxidant with anti-allergic properties. Regular consumption of mint, especially in the winter, can help asthmatic patients find relief. Its anti-inflammatory nature will not only enable you to get rid of congestion with the airway but also facilitate easy oxygen passage and relief. 3. Relief from common cold. Menthol, the main component of mint, can help you to clear congestion from the nose. It also helps to break the phlegm and liquefy the mucus, causing it to be expelled quickly. You will thus find relief from a stuffy nose and nagging headaches when down with a common cold. This is the reason why so many of the anti-congestion ointments and rubs contain mint. 4. Improves brain functions. Studies reveal that the aromatic oils present in mint leaves can enhance the functioning of your brain, alertness, and increase retention power. Mint is also believed to boost cognitive ability. 5. Eliminates bad breath. Almost every individual reaches for a mint after a large meal to refresh the breath. Mint is known to hide the nasty odor related to the consumption of pungent foods. However, this herb merely masks the smell but does nothing to kill the bacteria associated with bad breath. 6. Relieves morning sickness. Smelling fresh mint leaves in the morning or chewing them will allow nausea to pass. This is particularly helpful for expectant mothers who may be plagued with morning sickness during the first trimester of pregnancy. 7. Easy to digest. Ayurveda, the ancient medicinal practice of India, recommends using mint to pep up the diet. It has a cooling effect on the body. Besides, it comes with both antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that aid the body to digest food without causing any discomfort. 8. Stress buster. Adding a drop of mint oil and rubbing it on the forehead can help to calm your mind. However, you can also sip on mint tea periodically to get relief from stress and anxiety. You will also be able to sleep well when your mind is calm and composed. 9. Improves skin quality. The combination of menthol and salicylic acid present in mint can have a magical effect on your skin. Be sure to include mint in your skincare regimen for brightening up your complexion and getting rid of acne. Vitamin A present in the herb will regulate the oil secretions, thus helping you to have beautiful, blemish-free skin. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.